Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm sorry. First, I just want to say I'm sorry I've not been posting. I've been very busy with everything. But I'm back now for Slime Saturday. And what we have here, we're gonna mix it kind of like Toy Tuesday. We're not gonna skip Toy Tuesday, but this will probably be in the Toy Tuesday video. But what we have here is I'm gonna take it out and show you guys. We have a mixer. And a blender, which also has a top and goes on top of there. And for the slime part, let me show you guys. Looks like this, and it can light up and spin inside. This one can also light up and spin. See, that lights up and this spins. Ow, ow, ow. That hurts. But what we're using these for is for slime. This is fuzz. I mean, like, goo. But we're gonna use it for. Ugh. This slime is very. This slime. What happened to this slime was it used to be the slime that I mixed up stuff with. Well, I mixed it up with more stuff. I mixed it up with color pencil shavings and the color pencil stuff, and it turned like this color, and it has like green and pink and blue spots in it now, because I did it for a prank. It was the poop prank, but I did not post it, and I didn't record it either because it was not funny. My brother was cussing out. My brother was like friggin' going off. He was like, yeah. And I could have just bleeped it out. What I'm doing right now is I'm taking all this fuzz off the slime. Not the slime that was everything, but it's the slime that I have mixed in with the fuzz. I'm trying to take most of it out because I don't know why I did this. I just did it for fun.
You're thinking because I can make different faces, the firewall will think I'm different emojis. Yeah, I wanted to say because it was my idea. You know, women are always put up with stuff that men are taking credit for.
So, I'm sorry guys, I'm taking forever for this, but I'll get back with you guys when I get most of it out as much as I can. Bye. Alright guys, I have as much off as I possibly could. It's not much, but... And the only thing that really aggravates me about this slime is it will not stay put together. It's like it's so aggravating. Like, see, if you do this, like, you just saw that fall apart. Like, see guys, it's all in one piece. There's nothing in the bowl. Now watch, I'm going to grab a piece and just like, you ready? You see that part fall? And then these parts kind of stick together, but it's like so fuzzy. But we're going to get into the video now. We're going to do that slime next. I also have something else that I'm going to be introducing to you guys, but that's going to be later on in the video. So what I have here is just the blender. And we're going to take this bowl here, and we're going to put like a bunch of slime in it. Just like a bunch. And take about... Put this much into the blender to see if it'll still blend it up. So what you want to do is, here's the button. Don't press that yet, because you need the blender top, and just push that on. Guys. And as you guys can see, it's on now. Ooh. Put the top on. It was splattering everywhere. Hopefully this... Oh my gosh, guys, it's got it stuck up in there. I need to get like something, because this blade is pretty sharp. I mean, like, it can tear up some slime. No, 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 no. Get out of there. Guys. Like, the slime is not in my hand. Like, look, it's literally stuck up there in the blade. I don't know what the heck is going on. But it, like, the fuzz is stuck around the blade. Like, that is a fail. So... Oh, by the way, guys, our big question is today, can you blend slime? Probably. Nope, it's not stuck up this time. But guys, it's not blending. I'm gonna try to get you guys closer. It's not blending. It's just like swirling around. This is what it looks like afterwards. Regular, nasty, old slime. Now we're going to try the other one with this slime. Then we're going to move on to the next slime. Which, I have a new slime, but it's at my grandma's and I keep forgetting to bring it. So what we're going to do for this slime on this blender is put it into here. Put it into this container which came with it. And just start it up. And it's not even going to... Let's try a little bit, like last time. And see if it'll do something. So we have this much. It's not much. I'm gonna show you guys in my hand. So that much. Put it in there. And I don't feel like pressing this button the whole time, so I'm just gonna turn it on like this. Let me show you guys. Okay. Like this. And then you just take this button and push it all the way up. And now you see it spinning. So let's see if it'll blend. I'm trying to like move it to where... Okay, guys, this slime will not blend. Like, what are you doing? Alright, this slime will not blend. We're moving on to the next slime. So we're putting this up. And we're gonna try this blender now. First, for this slime. This slime is hard right now. But we gotta get done with this fast because I still want to introduce you guys to the next one that I put in my slime making machine. Before you go. I don't know if you guys can hear that music in the background, but my brothers are watching the Emoji Movie in the living room. Yo! It like won't even move. We're gonna get like itty bit, like this much, and then we're gonna. Ooh! Look, guys, look. Stuck, guys. See, guys, if you pay attention, like, you can actually see it, like, swirling around in there. So that one's it for that one. You can't blend this slime up either. Well, either. Take this one. Take. This can't be blended either. If you guys want to see. That is it hitting the slime. It will not blend. So now that we know that this slime will not blend and the other slime will not blend, we have one more thing to try for both of them. And I'm going to go get that right now. So see you guys in a second. Alright, guys. I'm here with the machine. Yes, you guys are like, that's a Build-A-Bear Workshop maker. And I'm like, yes, it is. But right here, when I use it, it looks like it's coming out like poop. Or like a turd. And what I have to do with this machine, I have to use little by little. So, I'm just going to roll it up. and I'm gonna let you guys see how I put it in there. So, as you guys can hopefully see inside, let me get up here for you guys. But as you guys can hopefully see inside, which is pretty dark. But right here, there's a blade thing that turns, and I'm just gonna stuff it down right beside it, or you can push it over it. Then you're gonna, if it's facing this way, you're gonna like I'm pushing it towards you guys, but you gotta flop it over it sometimes for it to like blend, and you'll see it coming out this way. So here it is, guys. I think it's coming out. Well, my thing is coming. Oh, I hate when it makes that noise, guys. If it does, just go like this with it, and it'll fix that noise. Guys, look, it can still be done. I've not tried this since I've ruined this slime. So yeah, guys, we're gonna try a little bit more than going into the next slime, because we don't want to waste too much time on just one slime. We want to get all the slimes. By next slime Saturday, I will have my next slime. See, guys, when it does that noise, you just want to go like this until it like stops. But that just means it's stuck up in there, and if it won't stop after you've done that, just go backwards with it. Like, go backwards with it like this, and then I'm sorry if you guys can't see, cause like I have no control of how you guys can't see, but we have just you just have to turn it like this, and when you hear that sound and you go like this and it's still making that sound, just turn it backwards. Yeah, but this one works too, by the way, guys. But we don't want to spend too much time on this slime, so we're going to go straight into the next slime. So we're putting this one out, taking this one out after I put it back in the dang bag. Stupid me. We're going to use about this much, plop it in, and get to turning. We're not going to waste too much time on this slime, because I don't know if this is going to work, because this looks nasty. Yo, guys, look. And it comes out looking like this. That's how we know it should blend, but it doesn't. And this slime is just really fluffy, and I guess this one works better because it actually has the stuffing in it this Build-A-Bear thing is used to. So I don't know, but there's also this compartment on the side for when it gets stuck up, you can like open it up and take out the spring thing, and yeah, like fix it. So get the rest of this out. Now we're gonna slip this back in the bag. And guys, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, follow me on. I have a bunch of profiles and everything, but make sure you follow me on. Make sure you guys can follow me on Musical.ly, Hipster, and like the app. So 3 things that you can follow me on. You can also follow me on Instagram. They're all at Keyshauna Harris. I'll leave the my name to all of them in the description box below. But before cheerleader, if you guys can't hear that music, that's what I'm singing. Like, I don't want you guys to think I'm crazy, but there's freaking music playing in there. But I just wanted to tell you guys that. So make sure you guys go follow me on that. But like always, guys, love and peace.